Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you mobile check deposit, the ultimate guide to depositing checks digitally. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Now, if you want the guide to depositing checks digitally with Wells Fargo Bank, what you need is, before you start, you'll need the Wells Fargo mobile application, an eligible Wells Fargo checking or savings account, a check payable to you, good lighting and a flat surface. Then in order to deposit a check, first what you need to do is simply endorse the check. On the back of the check, sign your name, write for mobile deposit only at Wells Fargo, and incorrect endorsement is the number one reason deposit fails. Next step is to open the Wells Fargo application. Simply sign into your Wells Fargo application and then tap on the accounts and select deposit. Inside deposit, select deposit checks, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is choose the amount. Now select the account where you want money deposited and enter the check amount. The next is to take photos of the check. Place the check on the dark surface, take a photo of the front, flip it and take the photo of the back, and make sure all four corners are visible, text is clear, no blur or shadows, and the app will auto capture when the image is clear. Next step is to review the details, and then once done, simply tap on say submit and then save the confirmation receipt, and you see a confirmation message right away. Now if you are depositing from Citibank, then first what you need to do is simply endorse the check. On the back, sign in your name and write for mobile deposit only. Missing or incorrect endorsement is the most common reason deposits are rejected. Next step is to sign into the Citi mobile application by simply opening up the Citi mobile application and log in using password, Face ID or Touch ID. Then navigate to the mobile deposit or tapping on the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen and then selecting deposit checks. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is enter the deposit details, select the account to receive the funds, and enter the check amount exactly as written. Then next is to take photos of the check, place the check on the dark surface, capture the front of the check, flip it and capture the back, and make sure all four corners are visible, text is sharp and readable, and no glare or shadows is there, and the app auto snaps when the image is clear. And lastly, review all the details, then tap on submit deposit, save the confirmation receipt, and you will receive an on-screen confirmation immediately. Next, if you are doing it from Citibank, then what you need to do is simply first endorse the check. On the back of the check, sign your name, write for mobile deposit only at Citibank. Missing or incorrect endorsement is the most common reason deposits are rejected. Step 2 is to sign into the Citibank application by simply opening up the Citibank application and log into your account. And once logged in, what you need to do is tap on the more menu icon on the bottom of the screen, and once there, find the option that says deposit checks and tap on it. Now once you're inside there, what you need to do is enter deposit details, select the account you want the funds deposited into, enter the check amount exactly as written, and once done, take photos of the check, place the check on the dark background, take a photo of the front, flip the check and take the photo of the back, and make sure all four corners are visible, images are clear and well lit, and no glare or shadows are there. The app will guide if the photo needs improvement. And lastly, review all the information carefully, tap submit deposit and save a screenshot of the confirmation received, and you will receive an on-screen confirmation immediately. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.